Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to embed or how to add Twitter feeds to your WordPress website pages. For this we will need a plugin. Come to your admin dashboard, click on plugins, add new. In the search bar type easy Twitter feeds. Now scroll down where it says Easy Twitter Feed Widget Plugin by Design Orbital. Click on Install now. Now click on Activate. When the plugin is activated, come to your Appearance Widget section. I will place it in my main widget area. Now search for Twitter feeds. This is the one. Come to your section. I'll add next to the Ajax search. Now type in the name, Twitter feeds. Timeline type username or widget ID, so I'll choose username, and Twitter username will be your own Twitter ID. Mine is this. You can mention your maximum width, but it will adjust the width automatically if you leave this empty. You can also mention height. For example, I'll give it 500 height. Number of tweets to be shown, you can customize this, but this widget will automatically get some posts which are not out of the page, so I'll add only 6 posts. Theme light or dark, you can choose from light or dark themes. Link color, you can also give it the hash color code for link color. Border color, you can disable header, no footer, no border, no scroll bar, and transparent background, but I'll leave everything empty for this. Click on save. Now open up your front end and let's check. Refresh the page, and here it is. As you can see, all the tweets are available here. There are 6 tweets, and this is too long, so I'll reduce it to just 2 tweets. Come to your dashboard and here reduce the number of tweets, 3 or 2, and then again save changes and come to your front end and refresh the page. Now scroll down and let's see, there are only 3 tweets. So that was all for today's video. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.